Welcome to the Fitt Cycle app. This is going to be where you're going to be able to access all of your daily Fitt workouts and be able to see the weekly view. So as you can see, you can toggle through the different days. At the very top left, you're going to see a little hamburger icon. You can click on that, and this is where you're going to have your general navigation. So first, we're going to click on groups. This is where you will see any groups that you have been added to. If you only have the subscription, you'll be added to the Daily Fitt. If you have purchased any cuts, you'll see all of those in there as well. So when you click on the group that you are assigned to, you're going to see a welcome email or a welcome message, and you'll be able to read it. You'll be able to click on any Facebook groups, and then if you continue scrolling, you're going to see the calendar as well as any resources that have been added. As far as your calendar, the macro blueprint, recipes, and we're going to continually update this as we go. Every time that we update this, you will receive an email letting you know that something has been added. So if you go back, you're also going to see if you've been added to a cut group, same thing. You're going to have a welcome message at the top where you can join our accountability group. And then if you go down to the resources, you will have some additional resources in the Fit to Cut that are exclusive to these cuts if you've purchased them. You'll have an assessment, and this is what you will fill out directly through the app so that you can get your custom macros. So if you go back out, it's going to take you to that main page where you can see your navigation. If you click on resources, this is going to be all the same resources that have been assigned to you through the groups that you've enrolled. Again, going back to the navigation, I did want to show you guys the nutrition tab. This is where you can connect your MyFitnessPal, and it will actually import your data from MyFitnessPal. Once we go back to the regular screen where you see your workouts, if you click on your profile, you can change your picture, you can see all of your updates, anything that you've logged as well. But let's go into one of the workouts. So when you click on it, this is what you're going to see. You're going to see a general overview, and at the top you can see that the clock is automatically started. You can stop and start that at any moment during your workout. You can also scroll through and see an overview of what's to come throughout the workout, and you'll also notice that you'll be able to see any notes that I've added for you at the top of any of the circuits. So we are going to go ahead and go into one of the workouts. So when you click on the workouts for the first time, you might have some information that pops up. You can read it and just click OK. So as you can see, this is a chest press. You can click on the top left-hand corner to get a video overview and a form demonstration. And it's super easy to click out of that. You can also view alternate exercises in the drop down. So if you decided that you wanted to use the dumbbell chest press, just press use and it will automatically switch that out for you, and you can see the video demonstration as well should you choose to view it. So once that is done, you can go back to your workout, and I did want to show you guys that you can actually log the weights that you're using so you can see the number going up, and this is a really great way for you to be able to track that progression overload. And at the bottom, if you click the little backwards clock, you would be able to see any previous history of weights that you've logged so that you can make sure that you're increasing your weights each time should you choose to do that. You can also write exercise notes for specific exercises as well as for the entire workout. So if you wanted to let yourself know that you hit failure at 10 reps with 20 pounds, then you would kind of know how to address this exercise the next time that you decided to do it. So once you're done doing that, you can press done and it will save all of your notes for you. And then I did want to show you the top right-hand corner where it says C2. This is where you would click to do a loop of the workout. So you would do your dumbbell chest press, then your dumbbell chest fly, and it will automatically take you through the entire 4 sets. So you could do that for all the supersets, the circuits, anything there as well. But I'm really excited about the instructional information that I'm able to give you guys just right there live in your workout. So when you're done, you can choose to log the workout, save the workout or not, and it will save the actual weights and everything that you used, and you'll be able to see that data compounded as you go through.